Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special. And guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So it's all morning here, and I thank God for the gift of life, man. Yesterday it was my birthday, and we celebrate right, left, centers. And guys, thank you so much by keep supporting me, and you show me some love, guys. So right now this is my house, and actually today it depends how we flow with vibe. So in case guys you meet my video for the first time, please guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share my videos to your family so that you can support Hello Baby Official day by day, guys. Anyway, I have my brother over here. Say hello.
Hello.
What's up? You good?
Yes.
So why do you look like you're so tired? Or you are relaxing and digestion may be taking place. Okay. Nipe kikombe. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister. I have mandazi and chapati here. So like when tomorrow my mama no guys, when yesterday my mama make some chapati and mandazi, I didn't take immediately, so I wait until the following day, guys. So we have mandazi here, people call snatch, and I have chapati here. So let's go. Wow. So guys, I want to take you outside and then I'll come back to take my breakfast. Well, oh guys, I'm telling you. Oh guys. You see over here? This small round up here, guys. Actually, if yesterday you watched my videos, I was wearing these shirts and these shorts. People are pouring my water tap. Let me check the level of water. I think it is here. Wow. So right now we have full of water here. Wow. Bruno, you good? I'll take you outside after a few minutes. Wow. Let me see what is going on inside here. This is our small kitchen. And like, this is a crazy situation. We have two hens incubating at one point some eggs, guys. Look here. We have black and white. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Or you are eating fast. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, they have black coffee and mandazi. Right now, my family celebrates at large. So anyway, guys, let me take you outside. Guys, on today's videos, it is what it is. We flow with vibe to the end. And anyway, guys, let me take you back here. And I want to give you like some short story from my toilet here. Guys, sorry for the noise of the bird. Well, so that being said, this I built this modern toilet here, and recently time we are using on other side. You have the toilet on other side, so technically I can't demolish that one, and then at the same time I'm building this one. So I built this one at the same time on other side that toilet are being used. So right now, because that one is deeply, we don't want to demolish them. So right now, my uncle tried to renovate it, guys. So at large, you know. So like this family, they have quite a number of people. So many of people here. So we must have like this toilet here and other toilet. But technically, let me take you there. And on today's videos, oh guys, before that, let me check how everything it's going on here. So we must make sure that maintenance and cleanness are observed here. Wow. I think everything's good. Everything is clean, guys. Look, guys, thank you so much for the love and support that you showed toward me. Oh, this is my mama's washroom. All right, that is it. Anyway, let me take you outside. So, wow. And over here we have the slippery veggies known as kererema. In our language known as kihango, guys. When you mix this and like bone meat, for example, guys, I'm telling you this for free of charge. Maybe when you have a wife and she got birth on that day, so you can look for this slippery veggies and some bone meat. You mix, we cook with them at the same time. When your wife take this one, I'm telling you guys, it gives your wife more energy, you know. That one here. So my sister is going to the toilet right there. Anyway, guys, let's move on. You have the birds? They are singing some melodious song here and there, from one trees to another. Look. Oh. And guys, on today's videos, I'll show you how brown ugal looks like, and we eat with calling calling hen. About chicken here. So guys, these are mortar here. We have a small drum here, guys, so we don't want to demolish everything. So right now my uncle tried to renovate. This one will be used like a sink here. So recently time everything will be in here, so we try to demolish everything. Sink will be separate, toilet and washroom will be other side.
You want to talk with my
Nguchande. Guys, if you remember this mason, he was the one who built my toilet with another professional mason. Let me tell him to say hello. Say hello.
hello. Hi guys.
You good?
My name is called Fundi Sami.
Fundi Sami.
I have with my Fundi is my best friend Akinamuita. I do this toilets.
This is a toilet?
This is a toilet.
No, this is a bathroom.
Bathroom. This one is a toilet. I want congratulations with my friends. So can you talk with the engineer there?
Yes. That's engineer, guys. Say hello to my people.
Hello, our people. I hope you are doing well. It's a fantastic time again, once again. For we are here to Alo Baby's neighbor. So our Alo Baby's is trying to set on our mind how to build this average what?
Toilet.
It's a good Alo Baby. We thank you so much. They are here working. So,
because I'm telling my people, our family somehow at large, they have a number of people here, so many of people. So instead of demolish that toilet, and it's new and deeply like 30 feet, we try to renovate.
Yeah, building the separate toilets.
Yes.
So, Alo Baby, I can see you like cleanness in the village.
Yeah.
That's how you are very near. Everybody wants to build a toilet in the village.
Yes.
That's good. That's good, Alo Baby.
Yeah, this is fundamental.
Cleanness is next to God.
Next to God. You can't build a mansion without a toilet. Yes. So
Toilet is good than a mansion.
yeah, it's good. For example, guys, if I'm eating food and then I want to excuse myself, where I'm going to hide? In the mansion or in the toilet, guys?
Both sides.
Guys, if you remember, I was telling you that that's my mason who built my toilet. Another mason. Let's tell him, say hello, mason. I thought to say hello.
Yeah, hello. My name is Mark.
So continue.
Hey, my name is Mark.
My name is Mark, guys. He was the one who built my toilet with another engineer. Oh! This is how they set some bricks, guys, here. Karora agatande kigo kuntu. Anguchari. Baba hanjiri bintu shortcut. Nano shortcut tani nibi. Ichoyle. Bafu none. Mambi bafu none ne buko. Nambire ngeni yane. Wow.
So, amturi ya lobe na hanjiri sana. Ekera wako.
Afati skono na ategi emskugu mugisimit. Hanoi hakorogere kokot.
Hachi hanoi.
Oh, guys, this is my wheelbarrow here. So as I'm not hanging, but I help them. See, guys, we demolish everything. These trees were being on the other side. We call logs. Javani, koroga for you, sense. Watch us simiti nine. Simit. This is a mortar here, guys. Hey. I'm telling you guys, and for now it's for like free of charge. Like I think last week I gave my uncles sand over there, balance stones, pipe, like PVC pipe and everything, you know. So I support my family at large, guys. So why not? This is how we create the mortar over here. And I know the people are hard na hang. And guys, if you are doing in terms of building construction, you have the handman, they must wear the gumboots because for the protection of their legs and everything, you know. So cement are not good. When it's touch you here, man, I'm telling you, the following day your leg will be like cracking some parts of the body. And guys, on today's videos, I will turn back the crate of the sodas, which yesterday I was bringing here. Hey. We take care of this cement here, guys. Look. Asa sange tairi bomweke kimoja. So nataka tumpura mbangwa. Oh guys.
Nambicho to ruhano saa moja. Yatafati gansho goreke saa moja.
Icho.
Kambi gansho goreke aranska na bo.
So guys, that being said, you see, this is still by here. By here, guys. And rotaru no sekera. When you get to get to Kurina Konohe. And these are like chimney pipe, exhausted pipe, taking bad fumes out. Better I want to have fully kiri he. Is a chimney pipe. Oh, the camera and a so right here we have the bricks. This is how we cut the bricks on a motorbike. Oh guys. Everything here. Mbega no kura fadhali mbuya kariki.
Wewe mchapa?
Anyway guys.
Nice.
Hey, yo.
Nyango eso.
Hata.
No bounce. Sorry for the vernacular language guys here and there. Então tá muito esfriando a matação. Taking measurements to make sure everything is well accurate, guys. Look, that's feet. That should be 5 feet. Yes.
4.2. The toilet, eh? Weka.
Oh! You see there, guys, right there. They picking some, scooping some sand from other side, pouring here. Let me show you. Oh, guys. Kininya bunke charge him. So they want to make another motor, guys. So to create a motor. Whoa. Alright guys, so let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos, but are very, very special. And every single minute guys, when I wake up early in the morning, there's some activity running here and there. So right now here we have the case guys, all green color. Look, wow, and it's going up to that way right there. So like yesterday they tried to plant another one, you see down here. So this one you plug some hackers from one, like from this one you plug like this one, you plant over there, and then it grow and reach at this same height. So guys, the reason why I want this sand to be taken away from here, simply because when it's raining, it's carried away the sand, and at the same time, I'm on the process of buying materials here and there, so I don't want to pour here. I'll put on the other side right there, because to save the distance here and there. Also this one here, one day I would transfer them to other side. Let me show you guys where I'm going to put that sand. When new sand is coming, I'll put on this side here. Let me show you. You have some materials construction over here and there. Oh, my grandma Biofka is sleeping here, basking the sun. Wow. Over here we have another car for my grandma. So here, over here, let me say guys, because to allow maybe enough space, over here I will put like balance stones, there sand over there. So like from here it's not a walking distance, it's a short distance. We have stones there. My mom's dream house is just over there, so rather than going other side, and which is a very, very long distance, at the same time to save time on that day when my time allowed to build my mom 3-bedroom house. Material just over here guys. Woo. Over here. That's the brakes on the motorbike guys. Afadhali anavyoona kuna hata na makungu.
Lakini yombi tano fundi, hizo ni tano.
Ngaba kurusiho wano baada kukuya ni mbura arona ndotora hayo na magena
Otore
enda gotora haso kinsara undi na magen sama toki akini bado ndalete nkaira mwisho bono nda magani 1 week Entipaino. Alright guys, so the work is keep going well and fantastic. Oh, I think this goes 1, 2, 3. Goes 3. This goes 4. So guys, after this, I'm going to buy some bread. I'm going to purchase bread for our mason for today. So technically guys, watch this video till the end. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So right now I have $1 for the breakfast. You know what I mean? I have $1. So when you change into Kenyan money, you can buy bread, guys. See this one here. This Kenyan money, these are 100, this 50 bob. So it's 150. So that's equivalent to $1. So I'm going to buy bread for our lesson of today. But anyway, guys, before that, I want to say this. If you are new on my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, please, guys, subscribe. Love is for free, guys. Oh, guys, I'm struggling to take my bike from here. Wow, guys. Hey. Huh? Let's go, guys. Imagine, guys, like things like bread. We want to go to Nyabohans and buy bread, guys, and it's far from here. But as long as if I have my own motorbike, maraba. We have the maraba. We have the small kids spraying into that tree. They're greeting me, shikamo. Shikamo is a greeting word. It's a Swahili word. And I respond marahaba. Just like good morning to you. Wow. Guys, I'm thinking on the way how I can get like a stand to hold my camera on my motorbike like this. Yeah, I had so many comments, but it's a positive comment. So to take care of myself. Actually, guys, when I'm vlogging, while I'm driving at the same time, I was going slowly, guys. It's because of the view of my motorbike. Wow. Here we go. That's my mama. Mama, bye. Guys, let's go. But the crazy thing is I didn't found there's one of the couple here. I didn't found them. But for me, my mama kept that clothes up to now. There's some couple was staying here, but I didn't found them. For me, I just keep the promise whole, guys. I'm telling you. That's how I go. Hey. Let's go, guys. We have the church here. Guys, at the same time yesterday I was celebrating my birthday in good way. We have the school there. Wow. So technically, guys, I feel so good, you know, at large you celebrate with my family. It's a crazy thing, guys. Imagine I came from home up to Nyabohans only for bread for the mason, guys. But in good way. So I'm almost at Nyabohans. I'm almost here. Oh yeah, I'm almost here. Johnny, fresh. Hey guys, even right now, some shop are being closed. I don't know why. Let's see how the tingles go. Let's see how the tingles go. Let's see how the tingles go. Let's see how the tingles. This is Nyabohans, guys. Oh. Left my bike here. And bread here. Eric, I hope we got to go 130. Yeah? Thank you, Pips. So we have breads here. Wow. So this is Nyabohans market, guys. If you don't know, this is how it looks like. I love to eat sweets, guys. Guys, this is the bread here for my mason, like, you know, so they will enjoy. See inside here, guys, you have breads, you have bread, not breads, you have bread. For me, guys, I love to eat sweets. So just a minute, guys. Oh. Guys, we shall meet on the next video when I reach back home, guys. Wow. Well, guys, this is another motor for the third trip, and that being said, I was brought the bread here, so my mason is enjoying, guys. You see.
Yes, thank you. I'm enjoying it here right now.
And my cousin is here. Say hello. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Managa town.
I want this.
Say hello, and then I give you.
Hello.
Hello. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Anyway, guys, so let's check the work for today. Oh, and actually, guys, let me lock my house. So we don't know what's up. I think everything is good and well, fantastic. Stop playing with the dog. We'll bite you. There's my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, guys. Let's check the work for today. Let's check the work for today. Let's check the work for today. Everything we kill it in a good way. Uncle Mito Mosasa will pass so kiri. The mason have prepared to go back home. Man, be sure about anything.
The toilet is ready to be used.
So maybe tomorrow they will fix sinker
The sink.
or installation of the sink inside. And remember, I koroke. Oh, guys. This is the washroom here.
Emergency bathroom.
Yes.
Emergency village bathroom.
So in fact, I love the way you come with good idea. The sink will be aside, toilet, and everything. Hey.
I think you are the one. Remember?
Yes, I'm the one. Because I know the steel bar that we put there, and then we don't want to overloading the sink because sometimes we sink. Yeah, oh. Ni governor tora ya. Kimuluzi. Unachapia chapia. Wando humulicha kwa temi bura staicho. Ah, eno tane ipone ndi humegitiki. Eno ni kwa temi plaster home romanchi moja kwa moja. Sisi miti kisha vuti imevuta. Oh, nkaya mche huku begoto kuna nya matafari.
Sasa.
China yes. Kana sasa sisinki itakuwa hapa. Eh.
Now we also they are opening the door outside.
So we have the sinker here, guys. Imagine. This is the sinker. I've been said in the morning at the same time this is the chimney here. Like exhausted. Taking out bad fumes. This one here. So recently time, guys, we all use this toilet and we try to say, guys, we never waste any resources, so we try to cover and everything. When the funeral have been going at my neighbors, they actually it's my family member, guys. Hey, in good way. Emotion akoleumur. This is the space here. Wow, at the back here, guys, we have ventilation, and number one was the washroom, number two was the toilet, and the reason why they told to be near to the sinker here, it's because the pipe is running from here inside here, but maybe for the washroom will be connected outside. Yes, what's up? No. When I put it here, you want to put here. He was a calm cousin, guys. Wow. Life in my countryside. Say hello. Are you ready?
Hello.
Where's the food? You cook the food? Where it is? I want to see, ma'am. For me, I don't like cabbage, ma'am. Oh, this brown nugget. Hey. This, guys, for those people who don't know brown nugget, this one right here, and you harvest cassava, You chop it, you grind, you dry it, and then you grind it. So we enjoy from now, man. So guys, sorry guys, yesterday we didn't see how like to eat brown ugali with the hen, or yeah, the hen that I bought. So today you get it. Yeah. Okay. Now my mama, she was transferring cabbage, the cooked cabbage from the sufuria to the hot pot. Hey. And right there guys is fire. Mama, let's go. For me right now guys, I'm so hungry like a goat. So I need to put something on table with a brown ugali. Man, what a good day. What a good day. But I will follow the vibe. And the good thing about me, I'm just shoot my video with my family. Here and there. Here and there. This is the tank here. Mama, thank you so much for supporting on the tank and all the process, and for my entire family who are watching my videos every day. Thank you so much. May God bless you. So right now I'm coming to take the brown ugali. Got brown ugali. Hey, yeah, that's my mama guys. So today the meal will be taken inside my mom's house. Hey. Okay guys, yes. Guys, you believe one day this house or this place will be having 3-bedroom house. So this is how my mama arranged the house and everything. Hey mama, me, I'm so hungry. And right here we have mandazi. That's mandazi guys, we have a lot of them. Hey mama. Guys, we have brown ugali. Like I was concerning mama to serve me here and there, and then I want to take shower, and after that guys, you see me eating. But yeah. This is hen meat. I can't get up on anymore. I don't like cabbage guys. Like I eat cabbage with maybe rice. That's enough for me, man. Nowadays I didn't take too much ugali. So mama, you enjoy. I think mkwabe wamekula na mwita. Guys, the rest of my brother and sister, they have already taken lunch. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? Where is maybe another brother and sister? But they've already taken. God is good. Right now, umekura? Haujakura? Join on table. Ndio una maji yako hapo. So only my sister, she was the one who wash hand soap. Maji ndo hayo.
Mama.
Why? Okay, wash hand. First thing, if you want to eat anything, wash your hand. Guys, I love, in fact, the sister getting me better. There's a bicycle here. Guys, after taking shower, you'll see me eating. You will see me eating my food. See right? Oh guys, sorry. I closed my house, but in good way. So this is my food here. This meat, like chicken meat. At the same time, brown ugali, guys. I show people how, maybe on video you'll see how my mom cook brown ugali because I was not around. I left my brother some camera, guys. Sorry guys for interaction. I drink water. Oh my god. I feel so good, guys. Nowadays God is amazing. Anyway guys, I want to take a shower right now, so probably I saw her. So that's my neighbor. Kibumbikiri. Taruse mai kola toroko kona. Afikyo kibumbikiri. Temira ko kona kabisa. Hai, ran korkinyira. Eno nera avosere mono. Kibumbikiri weke gari. Kyo kona kabisa. That is my neighbor. So this spade we kept inside here because the wheelbarrow can't enter here. Guys, this is where life starts from. Imagine. This is where my family, like where my parents start the life. This is my bicycle here. Imagine. Right here. I didn't form the brakes or brakes for that bicycle. I'm trying to find, like in Tanzania I didn't get, in Kenya I didn't get. On Happy New Year, Bruno, you eat 1 kg of meat, like let me say a quarter, guys. You celebrate Happy New Year, but in fact, people advise me, hello baby, left your dog to be free. I'm telling you, where I came from, if they found this dog, like they wanna throw some stones and maybe give some poisoner, those poisoner, like when I mean the poisoner, you know guys. So like my dog might die, so at least I tied them on a chain and then relaxing there. Bruno, hey Bruno, that's my Bruno. Let me say less than 1 year, this dog will be big. Wow guys, so I supposed to put water here. Probably I want to take shower right now. Oh, like I want to bathe, guys. For me I was confused between shower and bathing. Which is which, guys? Oh, guys, the water is so cold. Oh my god. Woo. I'm thinking this water is going to my body, guys. It's so cold. And it's like clean water, guys. You can tell in the comment section. I wanna say, guys, the person who made it possible, Mom, thank you so much. Thank you a million. Right now we have the water tank there, right there, guys, and we connect. In fact, I'm the one who come with this idea, like, you know, like when you put there the tap, there's maybe like congestion. My mom, like jam. My mom want to go to the house, we want to fetch water, so it puts in the middle here. When my brother come from the house, they will fetch water here. I personally fetch water here. Wow. Like my mama, they will fetch water here. I think this one is enough. Mine is enough. Yeah. Well, guys, so I was coming from my bathroom. I was bathing, guys, automatically. So right now, I want to eat food. guys. God bless this food. Before I take it, in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So guys, let's enjoy. We do like this. Oh my God. Look. Well guys, I finished everything that I was doing. So right now it's up. I supposed to take the crate up to Nyabuhansa right now, guys. So technically, guys, enjoy my vlog. Give a like, comment, and also drop the sweet comment on the comment section below, guys. So I must lock my house right now. So technically, the crate of soda is this one here. Wow. So you know guys, when the owner trusts you to give you like free crate and sodas, so it's good to make the payment. Why not? Why not, guys? Don't mind I was having these shoes because this one have some problem. So that's the reason why I change. Oh my God. What am I going to do? I will carry it that way, guys. Yeah.
Chuk. Inasemaje?
Say hello.
Hello.
Subscribe.
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 Sub. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay. That's my cousin. Oh guys, thank you so much.
My brother.
We shall meet on the next vlog where I'm heading to Nyabuhansa, guys. Alright guys, so I'm outside with the crates for the owner. So actually yesterday it was my birthday and we celebrate together here and there. So I must return this crate here, and it's Coca-Cola company. It's the owner, guys. So to make friendship and to be trustful, let's use that respect, guys, as we move on. Wow. Let's go, guys. Just a minute. Guys, I'm outside right now. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what did you think about on today's vlog, guys? It's an amazing. Wow. Let's go. I'm heading to Nyabuhansa right now, guys. Green nature, guys. Africa. Africa. The land that I love. Africa. The land of freedom. Africa. Wow, guys, this is Africa, Kenya. And indigenous trees, local trees in other way. Oh. Wow, guys. So after this vlog, we'll meet me in Masela. Oh. After this vlog, you'll meet me in Nyabuhansa, guys, because right now no rain, so here we can pass in good way. Oh. that is it. Wow. Imagine everything. If you want to buy sugar, you go Nyabohansi. Bread, Nyabohansi. If you want to take maize to the portion meat, you go Nyabohansi. But one day, guys, one day, not from now, guys. I believe one day I'll open my mama portioning machine to have like a small business there, guys. Because to reduce the distance of my local villagers by walking here and there. Oh. Wow. I'm remaining with some few minutes. I'm remaining with some few minutes from here up to the plants right now. Guys, stay tuned. So guys, I'm in Nyabohansi right now, and I want to return this crate to this shop here. Oh, Magris. Yes. Sanduku hii hapa. Sawa, karibu. Haya, asante. Ndaona kama nitafuata. Sawa, karibu. Guys, thank you so much. And over here the sold shoes, man. Iga? Asa maana hizi ni kubwa zitanitosha kweli. Guys, can't fit me. Anyway, oh, that small business here outside. So anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow. And I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much, guys, by keep supporting me, watching my video every day, and may God bless you abundantly, guys. So I wish you Happy New Year, which is next week on Wednesday, like tomorrow, like yesterday, guys. So much greeting, guys. Bye.